Hello, I'm Grace.
And I'm Kate, and we're here with our assignment 2, our data guided instruction workshop, and the technology we've chosen is Padlet.
Let's get to know about Padlet. What is Padlet and what is it used for? Padlet is an educational tool that students and teachers can use as a post-it wall. Different materials such as comments, questions, videos, images, graphics, music, and more can be posted to these online project boards. It allows both learners and educators to collaborate and communicate. Its design allows for flexibility in how it can be used.
So Padlet has a lot of uses. It is free to use, and an upgrade is available so that you can make as many Padlets as you want. This is an online tool. There's no app installation required. And it works on any internet browser, and you can use it on your phone. It's just a little bit more difficult than it would be to use it on a computer. It works on any internet browser. So like we said, this is an online mind mapping source. You can make posts, you can connect them to one another, you can add online sources, you can add images, audio, etc. You have the ability to track what students posted what. That way you're not looking at just a bunch of random posts. It can tag their names on it. You can change your privacy settings. So for example, if you're wanting to work on something and you're not done with it, you can change it to a private setting, and when you're done, it can be made public. Like I said, it works best on a computer or laptop, but it can be used on a tablet or a phone. And this automatically saves your work like a drive.
What need does Padlet address? Padlet allows for its users to create and post their own comments, questions, resources, and content in one place. Padlet can be used for projects as means of communication and more. Padlet can be used across all topics and subjects. It provides a blank slate for users to express their creativity and share their work either independently or collaboratively. It can be used in literally like math, history, reading, science. It's a very good tool that can be used across the board in all subjects and all grade levels too.
So how do you use Padlet? So to get started on Padlet, you're going to go to Padlet.com and you're going to hit sign up for free. If you already have an account, you'll just hit login and log in. So then if you are getting started, you'll create an account. You can sign up with any of these options or use your own email. Once you're in, so this is an example, I already have one made. This is just an example, so you can either hit join a Padlet or make a Padlet. Join a Padlet would be like if your teacher has already created something, or if you're doing a group project, you can join a already made one and collaborate on it, or if you're making one, you can start fresh. If you hit make a Padlet, you can choose your own layout. There's different layouts and formats. You can use walls. It has walls with sections. There's all sorts of options for you to choose from. And this is also a limitless platform, so you can make it as big as you possibly want it to be. It doesn't end. So we have attached a video of students using Padlet in the classroom. For time purposes, we're not going to play this video, but it will be uploaded with this submission.
Padlet being used in the classroom. So this is a picture of students like on his So where the mouse is, you can see the Padlet is on actually all three of those computer devices, and students may work at it at any time, meaning they don't have to be together to create the Padlet. So like if one student's at home and is sick one day but still needs to work on the project, then they can, and the other group members maybe in the project can be at school working, and the student at home can be working as well. So it doesn't have to be done at the same place at the same time.
So what does Padlet look like from a student and a teacher perspective? So this is from a student editor perspective. So the main difference in this is the tool options that you have. So for example, on this side, the student is my name, Kate Crumbar. And on this side, we have the sharing option, we have the starring option, we have editing and republishing, we have settings. And then from the from the instructor who is viewing the project, who the project was shared with, which is Kate, just Kate, only has these three options and not the settings option, so they can't, make anything different about the project. It also depends on the privacy settings, so some of these could change, but they are allowed to, comment and connect posts to different things.
So, our closing remarks to this Padlet technology. Students can use Padlet to lay out their brainstorming, synthesizing, and creating stages.
Teachers can use Padlet at any time, as well as students, to assess and view or comment, edit on any student work.
Students can access this 24/7. Padlet is free, and it is an internet resource that all you have to do is type in Padlet.com and everything pops up for you. You can use your email to start an account, and I think the biggest thing that I like about Padlet is students can access it 24/7 and it saves automatically. You don't have to worry about things, deleting, I guess.
Teachers can comment on posts that give students, the students create to give feedback, or students can also make comments on other people's posts. They can also like them. They can give little hearts or thumbs up or whatever they set that setting to. Depending on privacy, the viewers or editors may be able to even make their own posts on the Padlet board. So this gives opportunities for feedback and communication between student to student, student to teacher, or however the platform is being used.
The teachers are able to see which student contributed to the Padlet because of the names, as you saw on Kate's on the Padlet that she showed. You can see the names on there. She had a Kate Crombar one and then just a Kate. So you can see this is a good example of like if you are doing group projects, you can actually see who put what on there and making sure that all students are participating.
And then one of the last closing remarks we have is that the privacy settings can be changed from private while working on the project to available to view by the teacher or class at the end. It can also be made public for anyone to view. You can set it to where only certain people can view. So that's one bonus of this, because sometimes, if you're a student working and you're not quite done yet, you may not want people to see it. So this is a great tool to be able to utilize in the classroom and outside of the classroom. It comes with a lot of benefits, and I think that this is a great tool to use in all subjects, in all classrooms, at all grade levels.
It's definitely a great technology for class group work, just definitely because of the 24/7 access and everyone being able to contribute onto the Padlet at all times. Because a lot of times when you get to using PowerPoints and Google Docs and Google Slides, it doesn't get as broken up, and I feel like Padlet is a great source to be able to everyone put their own information on there.
So that is our assignment 2. Thank you for watching, and we can't wait to watch the rest of yours.
Thank you.